Hey everyone, welcome to Trading Oxygen YouTube page. Today is Monday and I'm here with a gold chart. Unlike every week, as I told in a BTC video as well, I'm 24 hours late. Apologies for that, but I was not well. That's why the video is coming a little late. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Let's see what gold can do for this week. Gold, which was on a higher and higher chart, took a pause here, trying to create some pattern here. I don't know what pattern, but there is something clearly showing that prices are stuck somewhere here. What is the level? If you see, there are two levels which is coming up here. There is one level like this where the prices are again and again taking a U-turn, and one level is this where the prices are taking a U-turn again and again. So clearly there is a prices have stuck between these, but I am not a very fan of a box pattern. That's why I'm not gonna put the box pattern. As usual on a traditional method, let's draw the support and resistance. So if you see, this is what my support resistance is gonna be from here to here. Okay, so my resistance is this. So let's put this in yellow. My support is gonna be this. Okay, so prices here and there are spending time from past so many days in between this range only. Okay, so whatever is going to happen is going to happen like this. Okay, is there anything else which prices are trying to say? Is there any is there any trend line? No, the support is not looking this. Okay, let's not draw the support at all because then it gives a wrong impression. Resistance is fine, one, two, three touches. Support still here one, and then the prices came down. So let's not draw any support. With this, is there any pattern which is gold is trying to create? Let's see. If I try to put any trend line here, okay, is this a legitimate trend line? One touch, two touch. Okay, this is not a bad trend line. This is a good trend line. Okay, so this is daytime trend line. Okay, is there anything on the above side? Is Can I call this a trend line? Yes. So this is also a daytime trend line. Okay. What else? Nothing. No problem. Let's go to the lower time framework. Okay. Let's put it like this. Okay. Now let's go to 4 hours. Okay. On 4 hours, what it's trying to say? On 4 hours, it says that the trend line, which was like this, is there any improvement for a trend line below side? One touch. Okay. Not a good trend line. Let me delete this. Okay. Okay. What else the gold is trying to say here? The gold is trying to say here that why don't I put a fib here on a daily time framework itself? Let me put a fib here like this. Let me put a fib from here to here. Okay. And let me put this in a box pattern and let me call it a fib level. Fib levels. Okay. Let me put this on a red as well. And let me delete this. Okay. So can we call it gold a sideways? The gold, look at the gold, nothing. Okay, let me go to the 4 hours window. Okay, so anything is happening, gold is doing. Gold we did from here to here. Then from here to here if I do, then from here to here if I do, no, okay. Uh, if I put trend line like this, and if I call this as a 4 hours trend line because only a second that just happened. So 4 hours trend line, this is here 4 hours trend line, okay. And also when we take from here to here, the prices went upside again, prices came down again, prices went up again, prices came down again. And this was the level here. So this trend line, this trend line, this trend line. Is there a trend line here also? Like this? Was this the trend line which has broken down already? Then this level, no, then this trend line is okay. Okay. So what is happening? What is happening is this. So the way I see a goal, let me go to the 1 hour also before 2 hours, before I say in my opinion what gold is trying to do. In my opinion, let me see. This is for sure. If the trade will become, this trade will be a big one in gold because the way gold is sideways, gold is gonna give something to us. Okay. So the way I see, because there is not much happening in gold, if this is fair, the trend line is gonna be broken down. It does the trend line, okay? I'm gonna set up a small SL here, small SL, and then I will go all the way to down here. To where? Here. How? My first will be this only, this touch, and then this touch. So I'm looking more over like this, ideally be like this, and if everything goes fine, then the target can be this as well. Okay. But we will see. Our SL is going to be very small. So today there is no trade. The prices are going to be here. So how the prices can behave? The prices can behave like this, where the prices will keep on roaming here, come down, upper side this. One time it will come this, let's slightly upper, but the trend line will not, sorry, the candle will not close above. Then it will come back again, and this time my trade will be activated, and first it will try to touch, again it will try, I'm going up, but it actually will not go up. It will break this, and then it will keep following like this. Once it breaks this, then this, and the below target can be bigger also. So yes, I'm looking gold also in a short side. Let's say if this doesn't happen, what is the next target? The next, I am not very sure. The long side where the gold can go, if that happens, we will see. But for now, I see uh, the gold may behave in this way. The gold has to touch this trend line and then it will come down. I hope you like this. Please note down this level and we will see that if actually gold is behaving this way or not. If you like this analysis, please like it, comment it, subscribe it, share with your friends, and I'll see you in other videos. Thank you.